Good afternoon, everybody. Some things I must tell you before we commence the presentation assessments. I am looking forward to not only the topic, the content of your presentations, but also how well you use your non-verbal clues, your overall body language, your eye contacts, how many of you are on the camera, okay? What team dynamics you are portraying, how much confidence you possess when you're presenting, how you begin, how you bring it to a closure, then how freely you speak is also an assessment component of your presentation. What value you bring to the discussion, what value you bring to the class, and how well you engage your audience, analyzing your audience and then presenting things. Then what kind of media you've made use of. Are you passing on some quiz towards the end which emphasizes on reflective learning, or you brought in some multimedia components also to your presentation to bring about an engagement deeper with the audience. Then the way you pause, the way you show your non-verbal clues, the paralanguage, and that's about it. So I invite the first group. Team lead, please share the names and the topic of your presentation. I'll make you presenter.
So our group has Uday Rana, Manas Mittal, Yash Mittal and Sanidhya Gupta. And me, Janvi Tiwari.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Your topic?
So our topic will be social penetration theory.
Very nice. Go ahead. Yeah,
I
and
will.
before Janvi and the group commences their presentation, it's a request to all 40 of you who I can see in the class. You please feel free to ask them questions towards the end of their presentation because they will have to defend it, right? And also you give your feedback. How far you like the presentation and do you suggest any changes? So we are going towards a constructive feedback, okay? We are not here to pull anybody's leg. We are not here to embarrass anybody. It's just part of our learning because it happens to be one of your modules. So we will see how exactly we should do presentation skills. Rather than teaching you those concepts of presentation, we better practice them pragmatically in the class and then come up with suggestions.
The social penetration theory, and I'll be commencing off with the presentation. Now, when we hear about social penetration theory, the first question that arises is what exactly is social penetration theory? Now, to this, I'd like to go back to my childhood. Because when I was younger, my mom used to say this one line that people are like onions. You've got to peel them to really get to know them as to what you're really getting at. Not known to me at the time as to what she really meant by peeling people like onions. Now it seems that I really get what she meant by it, as if there's some science behind what she really said. In fact, they were actually the core of what is believed to be what sociologists refer to as the social penetration theory.
Now over to Yash.
Thank you, Sanidhya. So I'll be talking about the stages of the social penetration theory. The first stage is the orientation stage. In this stage, the people try to make small talks like trying to have a major discussion on weather report or the whereabouts. The second stage is exploratory affective stage. During this stage, people personal selves and express their attitude on moderate topics. The third stage is affective stage. In this stage, people discuss on private and personal matters, which also leads to small arguments. The fourth stage is the stable stage. In this stage, personal things are shared and we start predicting each other's behavior responses. The fifth stage is the depenetration. Now, when this stage arrives, people start to grow apart. They start withdrawing, and then it leads to bitching, ditching, which leads to the mental itching, thus making the escape only the last resort. Now, over to Uday.
Thank you, Yash. Now I'll explain about assumptions and applications of social penetration theory. Several assumptions are present in social penetration theory. Under this theory, Altman and Taylor assume that self-disclosure is at the core of relationship development. A relationship progresses from the sharing of public, non-intimate information to the disclosure of the most important and intimate information. Relationship development is generally systematic. Relationship development can include depenetration and dissolution.
Janvi, talking about the presentation, overall I liked it, but there are a couple of things that you must imbibe in future presentations in other subjects also. So you were a team lead and you started the presentation very confidently, but usually when you start presentation, there should be something that takes away the attention of everybody. Either you start with a video or with a quote or with something that just forces them to be part of your presentation throughout. Sanidhya, when you were giving presentation, I think twice you got a chance to speak. You could have given more examples, okay? Rather than reading the script, there was a modulation required from your end. I would suggest that in future presentations, please work on the delivery of the presentation in terms of vocalics. Your manas, again, paralanguage and that speaking freely is something that I suggest to you, okay? But overall, I think you could have rehearsed more, okay? The group should have rehearsed more. So next time onwards, when you come, it's a very good presentation, especially the quiz. I liked it. I had lots of fun doing it.
Thank you, sir.
And good team dynamics shown by each one of you. Some of you have come in formals also, so there is a plus mark to the group for that. But a good start, and you must keep it up and keep shining. And if you need any help with presentations, you please reach out to me also. Whatever little I know, I will share with you. But
good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, students. Today our group will be talking about the 3 levels of comprehension, which will be followed by PPDT and some facts about PPDT. And we'll top this off with a quiz. So without any further ado, let's begin. Literal, interpretative, and applied. Please repeat after me. Literal,
interpretative and applied. Yes, I've repeated after.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Now, if we look at this text through the lens of the first stage, which is the literal stage, we'll say that the passage talks about Malawi. And why is that? That's because, as I said before, the literal stage is just about viewing the information. If we view this text through the interpretative stage, then we might say that the passage tries to give an insider view of Malawi and tries to project it as an unpleasant place to be in. But if we go one step ahead, Simon, please on the yes, thank you. But if we go one step ahead and we make use of the applied stage, the third stage, then we can come to the point of appreciating the techniques which have been used, which have been adopted by the writer. For example, we could say that lexical fields have been used.
So now we'll be starting with PPDT, which simply stands for Picture Perception and Discussion Test. All 3 of these have such different perspectives. Like when I heard Vandit's story, I could tell that he maybe uses left side of his brain more because it was very analytical. You know, he didn't name the character, like one named the character Ramesh, the other named the character something else. Left and the brain side of the theory was given by a Nobel Prize winner psychologist, Mr. Robert Sperry, and he was the first person during the 1960s to come up with this theory of our human brain. Now, usually people always use both sides of the brain, but we can simply see that one person has one of more side of the brain and one has a more different side to it. That was it for us, sir. Thank you so much for listening, and if everyone will just join in the quiz so that we can participate.
Apart from the instance where Arnav dropped out and people forgot to pitch in, I don't know, it was intentional or maybe it was, inadvertent. Overall, a very good presentation. The benchmark is going higher with every presentation that I'm having. But I'm happy to see even if some of you were reading and it was obvious that you're reading because, I know the kind of flow that you had. It was good. It was good and everything was worth it, especially the quiz. It was very elaborate and it kept me also busy. And it ignited the competitive spirit in me that I have to win it, though I hate to do it, and it will be cheating on my part because I'm much older. But Arnav, Vandit, Ishika, Sajal, great teamwork, good interpersonal skills portrayed by you in the presentation. There was so much to learn about communication in terms of your presentation as a team and also the topic chosen by you. It's not easy. Sajal, I must confess, you, Ishika, Siman and Vandit have a great future ahead. I see corporate leaders in the making. And shortly I will have a small extract from your presentation to be shared with other classes also. It was truly inspirational. Very good. Keep it up. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
God
Thank you,
bless
sir.
all.
saying
You
what
can have a good
thought us.